Hello everyone, I am Naseem Ullah Bhutta, a part of Rehan AI Teachers Institute. I'm excited to share a quick review of a fascinating TED Talk by Dr. Ranveer Chandra. His talk, How Data-Driven Farming Could Transform Agriculture, is a packed with some truly eye-opening insights. Dr. Chandra kicks off by highlighting a crucial challenge. By 2050, global food production needs to be increased by 70% to feed our growing population. And his solution? It's all about data-driven farming. He explains how using data like soil moisture and nutrient levels can help farmers practice precision agriculture, applying resources exactly where needed. One of the coolest part is how he introduces Microsoft's FarmBeats project, which uses TV white spaces to bring affordable internet connectivity to farms. He also talks about leveraging AI and edge computing to create detailed farm maps using drones and even helium balloons for aerial imagery. It's fascinating how all these technologies come together to make farming more sustainable and effective. While Dr. Chandra's ideas are incredibly innovative, it would be great to hear more about how small scale farmers in developing countries can adopt these solutions. But overall, his passion and expertise really shine through, making the talk both inspiring and engaging. On personal note, I found his vision incredibly relevant, especially for the region like ours, where farmers face similar challenges. It's a reminder that technology, when used thoughtfully, can truly transform lives. In conclusion, Dr. Chandra's TED Talk is a must watch for everyone interested in the future of agriculture and technology. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. We appreciate your efforts. Thank you very much.